And this was where that serial killer would wait for some two drunk people to leave. And then good news is that if you're not like a gay dude, you're not on the serial killer's like hit list.
You holding your phone like that is scaring me.
I know. There's not that much grip with my gloves either. But it's alright. We like to play it a little risky. I wish I could hear the sound alert. Big dubs. Get off. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Sneeze isn't... Oh, no. Not a sneeze. Ew! Gross! Oh. Ugh. Nothing worse than sneezing in the helmet, man. Let's go! Come on! Hey, Torbeck, guess what? We're about to go investigate the serial killer in Austin. I don't think this light knows I'm here, bro. All this weight I've been putting on and I still can't get picked up by this light. So we're going down to Rainey Street, which is the quote-unquote hunting grounds for the serial killer out here in Austin. You've been watching the Pacers Thunder series? First game was crazy. They had well, not a buzzer beater, but it pretty much was a buzzer beater. It looked like the Thunder were going to run away with it. And then I was like half watching, and I look over, I'm like, damn, Pacers are like kind of coming back. And then I look over with like 12 seconds left. Pacers run the ball up and just Tyrese Halliburton just sinks a crazy ass shot. Nah, no way.
Do a wheelie.
Yo, Jeffrey, I can't, bro. This little 500cc commuter bike has no low end power, no low end torque. First gear, second gear, like. And what sucks is, I think this news came out like 4 days ago. The bike I wanted to upgrade to is a Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R, good old 636. Looked sick as fuck, and I could take it to the track. But like 4 days ago, they came out with like a recall on all 25 models. So now I'm stuck in this spot of, am I going to wait for the 26, which will, I guess, maybe come out like Q4, or hunt down like a 23 model somewhere. That place has some greasy ass hamburgers, and they're so good.
Bruh, looks like you're on the east side of Indy.
Nah, does it really? I have no idea. I've never actually. I've driven kind of through Indy. Is that where you're from? Wait, so you're definitely paying attention to the NBA Finals then, huh?
A deer! A female deer.
Oh wait, Indian. Oh my gosh. Now I just combined Indiana. Hop, skip, and a jump, man. It sounds like an empty tank. Yeah, it does, bro. It's sick. And I got like the little green underglows for it. It looks clean at night. It just has no power. It's all bark, no bite. Oh, come on. We're gonna let the bus beat us? Oh, look at the little doggo. So there's a serial killer here in Austin called the Rainey Street Ripper. I'd show them where like the guy's hunting grounds were, and everyone got scared and spooked of going out there for a while. Yeah, that's right. The graphics are unreal, bro. Oh, not another sneeze. Please, please, please. Please get rid of the sneeze. Ooh, yeah. It's fun. I like it. It's super light, super agile. But the R6, man, that was like what I wanted to get. But then they stopped making them, and then all the prices got jacked up. Oh yeah, dude, the R6 has, I think, the best sound. Road trip time. Road trip. We gotta find out where little ninja.
That's a hooker.
Dude, 636 is the play, man. All right, so we go up here, take a right, take a left, and we're there. Dude, I mean, you can still get them. It's just gonna cost you like $13,000 for a bike that used to go off the floor. I don't remember what their original MSRP was. But that R6, man, there's nothing in the world that sounds like that.
Gear comes first.
And the bike. True. So basically anything that's taller than one story didn't used to be here like 2 years ago. It was all bungalows like this, the entire street. But all these were bungalow bars, everything. And this was where that serial killer would wait for some two drunk people to leave, and then I don't know how he'd do it, but he'd do it somehow. There's bangers. This place has the meanest, what do you call those things? What would be like, you get these mugs like this big, this tall. So this is that circle I was talking about, gamer. Nobody ever goes on this side of the street. Yeah, it is. Yeah, talking about like some freaking NASA fuel. Yeah, you have been lied to. 50 is insane, bro. All right, so that was the street where this serial killer would find most of his victims. We'll go this way. Good news is that if you're not like a gay dude, you're not on the serial killer's like hit list. Squeeze me. That's the hunting grounds. And then this is like the dumping grounds. All up there. Gamer, now you can see like it's just freaking like no one's gonna see nothing down here in the dark. Are you looking at some, like a couple different bikes? You said a CBR. And that's what this guy is. That's a little commuter CBR. Upright seating position. Not much power, but plenty enough to do highway rides and stuff. I'm looking at going with a Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. But the 24 and 25 models are all on recall, so For that one, you'd have to wait for 26 or buy like a used 23 or older. Everyone loves their Gixxers. Kyle was in here earlier. He used to ride a Gixxer, I'm pretty sure. There's a gamers squad of water people.
What?
Oh, shit. Hello.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Nobody taught me how to drive.
Well, I'll teach you. I'll teach you everything I know. Clutch into shift, put into first, throttle on while letting clutch out. Clutch is out, shift, clutch in, throttle off, clutch out, throttle on. Rinse and repeat over and over again, and that's how you ride a bike. All right, so now we're gonna go over the bridge to get like an overhead view of the water. What did YouTube lie about? You got, what the fuck?
YouTube lied to me about the gas and how every bike is the same no matter what bike you get.
No, every bike is very different. Very different. So, like, I'll compare this bike versus an R6, right? R6, bigger engine, obviously it's going to go faster. Its power is really generated, like it's going to have a lot of power throughout, but it really gets most of it at the very top end of the RPMs. You're gonna be sitting like this instead of like this, so you're really far forward. Oh shit, I'm on the other side of the road. It's just more high performance, and it's really a track bike meant for racing. But everyone is in love with the sound of it. Here's like I'm gonna get behind this car. They're already giving me an excuse to go slow. There's the lake. Both sides. Gotta love me some Jackie Chan. This guy's just grooving, bro. We'll go up here, do a U-turn or a roundabout, head back because that first bridge we crossed over, when the sun goes down, all these bats fly out from underneath this cave and just are everywhere. It's pretty sick. We'll see if we can get the timing right on it. It's basically at sunset. That's a sick car, bro. Oh, that's a sick car too. Little C8. This is the bridge where everyone will be posted up waiting to see all the bats fly off. You know what, fuck it. Maybe I can find like a cheeky little spot to park. Can I just park right here? Come on, save my soul. And a bar guitar and a honky tonk. Maybe I just park like in between all those parking spots. Oh, look at all these people. So I think this is the bridge. Let's go look. Yeah, it's all these people just waiting. We'll get up at the top. An elf? All right, let's see if we can get up there. Oh, they have stairs right here? Clutch.
I hate stairs.
Yeah, they are the worst. I don't have the leg strength to do 2 in a row. Look at my puny little legs. I look like a fool wearing my helmet.
I mean, those gloves look funnier.
They're pretty good. They got some holes in them. Won't really do me much in a fall. Oh look, there's a nice open spot. We'll snag this one right here. The only downside is that As it gets darker, you're not going to see as much.
You holding your phone like that is scaring me.
I know. There's not that much grip in my gloves either. But it's alright. We like to play it a little risky.
I shouldn't have said that. I should not have said that.
So this is the one sucky part, is that this is not good in low light. So the darker it is, the less y'all are going to be able to see.
The water is dirty.
What do you mean? That looks perfectly clean. Oh, there's your wheelie. You can even see the soap bubbles. Oh, look, there's your wheelie. Right there. Yeah.
Yeehaw! Ride 'em, cowboy.
What do you mean it's not soap? I wish I could hear the sound alert. Big dubs. We like to play it a little risky. We like to play it a little risky. We like to play it a little risky. Get off. Bro, I almost flicked my phone out of my hand. What up, Sky? Waiting for the bats to come out. Give us a story here. Oh shit. Look at that thing. Bro. Dude, they got a full ass like dining table. I bet the arch, you can connect like an umbrella to it. That is sick. Oh look, there's more barges. So what's the deal with the red lights? Is this like supposed to like call them out? Look there, y'all can't see this. Let me get over there so y'all can see. Nah, it's fine. You see, I don't know if y'all could see that. I don't think so. Was there?
She wants you.
They're all coming out from right here. I don't know if y'all could see any of that. But I could, and it was sick. If I can see anything, I'll snag a little clip of it and I'll post in the Discord. All right. Gamer gets his push-ups. I don't even know if I can do push-ups with the helmet on.
Dog, you gotta watch this clip.
All right. I'll check it out. I'll check it out when I get back. You see, I don't know if y'all could see that. All right, you want your 10 push-ups? All right, there you go. There's your 10. All right, now we get the underglows.
Bro, that was maybe 4.
That was not 4. That was way more than 4. Are you kidding me?
I need more biker friends.
I gotcha. Yeah. You'll find them just out and about. I, on the other hand, have just been converting all my existing friends into bikers. What do you mean they left you? They all moved? Oh shit, there is a protest. What the fuck? Well, there you go.
What the fuck is going on?
It's the whole ICE protest. And the scooters are like the biggest victims. It's always the scooters that are getting thrown. But on the bright side, they're not in the water. We had Lime come into Austin and then get shut down for a little bit because everyone was throwing all the Lime scooters into the lake. Like a shit ton of them into the lake. It looks like there might be something going on at the Capitol. I don't know if I should even try to go forward, but we're gonna see. Can I go left? I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I'm assuming down there. Oh look, we got on the other side of it. It's just one block. It's just one block. Oh, never mind. And now I'm am I allowed to be here?
This would be a dope YouTube video though. NGL should post the VOD.
Okie dokie.
Pizza party.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, baby.
Damn! Let's go! Stepsister! Is that stepsister truck? Yeah, they are watching me. Oh look, there are people over here, bro. See? There's people on this side, not so much that side, and then over there. California knows how to party. The one thing I really want to do is, well, I need to edit down some of these VODs and post them, because I think that's what I'm missing, is to make edits.